What's he doing?
Make him nut, bro.
What?
Make him nut.
That was weird.
You ready? Let's go.
Yeah, we should go.
Oh yeah. Coming
Coming
right here through this door. Knocked one. Oh no, through the window.
Oh, how the fuck was that? Nothing. TTV, come on, brother.
I am 10 HP.
He was a TTV?
Yeah, I said TTV onks or some shit.
Oh shit, that's a famous guy.
Nah, bullshit.
TTV on this. TTV
Not
Andre.
on there. It's on some other shit.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, give me the med kit. I need the med kit. What's he doing?
Make him nut, bro.
What?
Make him
Over
nut.
here.
That was weird. Knocked. The other one's behind the hill. Peeking. 20. 20. 20. 20. Dead.
Damn, bro. 20, 20, 20. Those fuckers. Fuck. Oh, there's a guy just chilling right here.
Really?
What the hell? He was just standing there. Back so hard, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody is in the house.
Broke shield. Coming at me. Coming at me. I'm dead. Absolutely dead.
Oh damn.
Bro, how many is there?
3. They're getting the res. Getting the res. Yeah, we killed like 2 of them. One dude's teabagging over here. I think he's the only one full health by the tree. But they're gonna get the res behind the wall if you don't spray out the wall.
Oh damn.
So now there's 3. Ooh,
one's
that's
practicing.
weak. Ooh. Yeah, that was like the most health guy, I'm pretty sure. Just stay alive, I'm pretty sure you have more health. Unless they had, unless they had medical supplies. Oh, left. Nice. Nice. Oh, damn.
No, we got 30 seconds.
Falcon, we're gonna do this banana squad thing. You saw the video too that Fresh did, I bet. We need miniguns. Ooh, glider behind me. Glider coming in. We're getting landed on. I'm dead. They landed on me.
Come on, Martinez, keep coming this way. We'll
Just
spray at him.
cranking.
Keep coming. We'll spray at him.
Keep coming.
Angel, leave from there. They're not in the circle. Oh, people to my right. To my right, they're shooting.
Oh man, come on now.
Angel, I
Go
got
to
the
G.
police to you, bro. The guy right here on me. Cracked him for 31. 31 again. He's knocked.
Back on Angel. Angel's got the real
I'm
play.
gonna
Angel, back up if you can.
check this guy real quick. Somebody can take this guy's loot.
Trying to help Angel. 29
Six
shield,
people
broke
left,
it.
6 people left.
He's in the storm. Angel, are you in the storm too?
Yeah, what the hell? Where is he?
I don't know.
No,
You see him, Angel?
bruh. Damn
Where's
it.
he at?
He's in this box.
What box? Oh,
Help me out here.
he's just cranking like a madman. We gotta get these reses. Dang.
Right here.
I'm
You res,
totally
you res.
out of AR ammo.
There's AR ammo right there.
45 seconds.
Holy damn.
And there's a attack right there. It's 3 of us against 2.
2 more?
But I think this guy must be alone, bro.
Yeah, I do.
I'll
Holding?
watch out. I'll hold it.
I need to use this med kit. Somebody said they were holding it.
I'm holding, but he might trap us
Oh,
in
he's
here.
got the drum gun. Nice, nice.
Help out. I can't hold both. Alright, I'm gonna head out.
I'm on that. Fuck.
Move.
Getting into circle.
We gotta go. He saw me.
Knocked him, killed him.
Dead. Nice. One
Oh,
more.
we gotta dig. We gotta leave.
Yeah. So it's 3 bananas against 1. No shield. Low mats. Anybody got
Yep.
shield?
I can give 1 for each of you guys.
Alright, let's get it.
125. I mean, I didn't hit nobody, but I mean, I 125 shield.
Finding high ground. Just camping in a bush with a sniper. I can feel it. Feel like I'm a giant yellow target.
We are.
Supply drop. 2
We
supply
should just go get
drops.
the, yeah, let's get the supply drop so like we might get a rocket launcher or something.
Ooh, bush next.
I have a feeling he's in the house.
It might be.
What?
Hold on,
Oh,
let me go check it out.
footsteps.
Where you at? Where you at?
I see him.
Nice.
Oh.
Banana win, Falcon.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
Wow.
I had 8 kills, guys.
I had 0, bro.
What do you mean you had 0? I'm scared to look now. I had 4. Okay.
I had
No,
0.
Martinez, you had 6.
Oh,
Angel, you had 1.
mine says 4.
I had 1.
Yeah, you had
Mine
1
says
kill.
0.
Martinez had 6. If you look at party up and then the team members, it shows the kills of everybody.
I keep myself progressing cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.